We start with the heart of the dessert, the crust. Combine 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with half a cup of melted unsalted butter. Allow this mixture to get to know each other until it's well combined. Then press this mixture into the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch casserole dish. Pop it into the refrigerator to chill while we prepare the filling. Moving on to the filling, beat an 8-ounce package of softened cream cheese with half a cup of powdered sugar in a separate bowl until smooth. Then, invite whipped cream or whipped topping to the party, folding it into the cream cheese mixture until fully incorporated. Now layer half of the cream cheese mixture over the chilled graham cracker crust. Arrange half of the sliced bananas over the cream cheese layer, followed by half of the crushed pineapple. Sprinkle half of the chopped strawberries and nuts over the pineapple layer. And then we repeat. Layer the remaining cream cheese mixture, bananas, pineapple, strawberries, and nuts. For the final touches, drizzle chocolate syrup over the top of the casserole. Garnish with additional whipped cream or whipped topping if desired, and place maraschino cherries on top for decoration. Cover the casserole dish with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until set. When it's time to serve, slice it up and enjoy chilled. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.